Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
For a joyful Christmas, focus on these 5 needs. 1. Connection. Spend quality time with loved ones, fostering meaningful relationships. 2. Gratitude. Reflect on and appreciate the good in your life, enhancing overall happiness. 3. Giving. Embrace the spirit of generosity by sharing gifts or volunteering, enriching both your life and others. 4. Traditions. Create or uphold family traditions to build lasting memories and a sense of belonging. 5. Rest. Prioritize relaxation and self-care to rejuvenate both physically and mentally for the new year.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.